Good day, good people. In today's lesson, we want to look at compositions. Firstly, we have to appreciate, as we have learned from grade 5 and earlier, that there are a few types of compositions we are required to be able to write. So let me put down a list of the compositions we are required to be able to write. So these are the types of compositions. Trikutarisa matype ema-compositions. What are these types of compositions? Firstly, we have what is called a business letter. Then from that, we have a friendly letter. We have a report. We also have what is called a narrative composition. Then we have a descriptive composition. We can also talk about what is called an argumentative composition. So these are types of composition or types of compositions we should be able to write. Then lastly, a speech. We have 7 types of compositions. Tinema type 7 ema-compositions atinofanirwa kugona kunyora. We have what is called a business letter. We have a friendly letter. Then we also have a report. So when we look at a business letter, a friendly letter, it is important to be able to know the difference between a business letter and a friendly letter. Tofanirwa kuziva musiyano uri pakati pe business letter ne friendly letter. And as you are going to see, and as we are going to learn soon, you are going to notice that the difference between a business letter and a friendly letter is mainly on the addresses, or how we write the addresses. Manyorero atinoita ma-address. Manyorero atinoita address ku business letter akasiyana nemanyorero atinoita address ku friendly letter. So that is the main difference. Then secondly, we can talk about a difference in terms of formatting. How we write a business letter should be different from how we write a friendly letter, especially when we look at the language we use. When we are writing a business letter, we have to use what is called formal language. Tofanirwa kushandisa mutauro uri formal. Uri kuratidza kuti tiri kunyorera munhu watinokudza, zvasiyana nekunyorera shamwari, where we can use what is called an informal language. Kureva kuti neshamwari we can be cordial. Kuti cordial zvoreva tinogona kutamba hedu tichinyorera shamwari, tinogona kusununguka, ndovarara ndiri kutsvaga. Pakunyorera shamwari unenge wakasununguka. But when you are writing a business letter, uri kunyorera munhu waunokudza, munhu waunoremekedza. Saka unofanirwa kunyora nemutauro wakatsiga, wakadzikama. So we are looking at a business letter and a friendly letter. Then comes in a report. We are going to know the formatting of a report, but we are mostly going to be comparing a report and a speech. So what is the difference between a report and also a speech? Then we have 3 types of compositions. We have the narrative composition. Iyi ndiyo ngwanonyorwa, kunyora nyaya yakaitika, narrative. A narration, kuti narration zvongoreva nyaya yakaitika yauri kunyora. My holiday, for example, or the day I was sad, or the prize giving day. You are narrating an event which happened. Then As for a descriptive composition, you are describing something. And you are going to see that most of the things we describe are going to be nouns. When we get to this type of composition, we are going to learn more. Then lastly, an argumentative composition where you are making arguments. And what are these arguments? You have a certain point or idea you want to support. So you are going to contrast that idea. You are going to write to support your idea and also to dismiss other ideas. Saka kana chitaura pamusoro pe-argumentative composition, tiri kuti une idea yauinayo. Togona kupa an example of a question which requires an argumentative composition. For example, is it right for school children to wear school uniforms when they are going to school? Mushona tiri kuti zvakanaka here kuti vana vechikoro vave neuniform yavanopfeka kana vachienda kuchikoro, kana kuti vana vechikoro vanofanirwa kuenda kuchikoro vakapfeka hembe dzavo dzekumba. So you pick a side. Be it your side is, it is right that students or school children should have school uniforms. Then you have to outline or you have to list all your reasons to support that idea. Munobva matipa ma-reasons enyu ekuti nemhaka yeye muchiti vana vechikoro ngavaende kuchikoro vakapfeka uniform. Ma-reasons enyu anenge akawanda, anogona kusanganisira kuti vana vechikoro vafanane, pasava nekusorana pakati pavo, vamwe vachiti uyu hembe dzanoya akapfeka hadzina kunaka, ndo yandakapfeka hembe dzakanaka, and other reasons you can point out. So when we get to an argumentative composition, it's going to be apparent. We are going to learn how we write it. Those are the 7 types of compositions we should learn how to write.